Tracheophyta. Plants that have xylem and phloem are called vascular plants or division Tracheophyta. Xylem absorbs water and minerals from the soil and transports them to the upper parts of the plant, such as the stem and leaves. Phloem transports food made in the leaves to all parts of the plant. Tracheophytes are the most successful group of land plants. Examples include mango trees, rose plants, and many other flowering plants. They are well adapted to life on land because their roots grow deep into the soil to absorb water and minerals. Many tracheophytes can also store water in their tissues and use it during dry seasons. Flowering plants are also tracheophytes because they possess both xylem and phloem. Flowering plants are dominant in terrestrial land habitats. They are found in almost all types of land environments because they are well adapted to different climatic conditions. Vascular plants. Vascular plants are those plants that have xylem and phloem, while non-vascular plants do not have xylem and phloem. Now, we will discuss the characteristics of tracheophytes. Characteristics of tracheophytes. Tracheophytes have roots, stems, and leaves. Tracheophytes have a vascular system consisting of xylem and phloem. Tracheophytes produce sporangia, which contain spores. In seed plants, reproduction takes place through seeds instead of spores. Seeds are dispersed to different places, where they germinate and develop into new plants. Tracheophytes produce pollen grains and pollen tubes for fertilization. The stigma is the top part of the female flower pistil. It receives pollen and helps start the process of seed formation. Most tracheophytes produce flowers and fruits. Tracheophytes show heteromorphic alternation of generations. This means that the plant has two different phases in its life cycle, the haploid gametophyte and the diploid sporophyte. The gametophyte produces sex organs and forms gametes by mitosis. Mitosis is a process of cell division. The sporophyte produces spores by meiosis, which later develop into gametophytes. Tracheophytes are further divided into different subdivisions, which we will discuss in the next